So the project is beginning with a film that I made in 2014 called Changing Room, which is a film that looks at my relationship with my father, but also the idea of the amateur and the professional artist. He was an amateur ceramicist, and in the film I shoot the entire film in his home after he's moved out into a care home, and I use lots of his ceramic objects as almost like the characters in the film while I'm having conversations about race and his experience really as a teacher in Wolverhampton, but also our family and his aspirations. So what I'm doing here in the art school is I found some moulds in his garage while we were cleaning out his house, and some of those moulds are the characters, the ceramic pieces that I use in the film. So what I've come back to do is to remake some of those ceramic pieces for an installation which will sit alongside the film as part of the British Art Show. Well, I actually love this building. It feels like a space where people can learn. There's an openness here. It's light. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to working here. It's got a really good energy.